This is our side. This is someone else's. They what's the word? I guess they took out the old coffee trees and they're gonna plant new ones.
Only so some macadamia.
Oh, okay.
And there are some like durian.
Wild tomatoes. After the wild tomatoes, you see a plant called mbir. Mbir. So we didn't know it at the time. You can use this for incense.
Yeah.
That's basically what people burn for their ancestors.
So you can see that they cut some old branches. Yeah, so you can see here some, there's like it become dry. And maybe sometime you see this one is a little bit like not much fruit, so they can also cut. So focus energy for the plant to grow new branches, which is mean next year it will have more new branches for the next year is coming.
Well, basically this December is the next season of coffee harvesting. So this is after they harvested the coffee in December and part of January. So this is what they do in the dry season after they finish picking coffee. So there's lots of other things people do to maintain the plants.
You can see the new branches.
So you're gonna cut this one?
Yeah.
Trim it. Too long.
Yeah. Right. You can see this will be some coffee cherries next year. This year, yeah. December.
This is very common brain.
Oh,
it's a sour, no, not sour, bitter. Is it related to eggplant?
Yeah.
So it looks like a baby eggplant, but inside you can see it looks like an eggplant, seeds or even peppers. But it's bitter and used for soups.
Yeah, porridge. Right?
Go. I can't see. It's very funny.
You can see this is the crack.
The branch.
No, I know the stem.
Or
It's
the,
like-
I say yes, that one.
Yeah, so this help to only use little of water. So then it's fit with this climate.
That's why it's cracked.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one is pretty good.
So it doesn't take as much water, but it keeps it
Yeah.
in the ground.
Yeah.
So you want to have this inside with the coffee.
Yeah.
But here it's just the border because most people just take it out or leave it on the edge
Yeah.
because they don't want it with their coffee.
Just to mark the-
Here's just a marker.
and also this one.
What is this?
I guess something from Rio.
Sila the gap.
No,
Okay.
it's like a fruit forest.
But this one, the pattern is different.
Yes,
But
this
why?
is different.
It's like small or smoother.
Thicker, yeah. Yeah, I think its plant is diverse too. But it's smaller, the crack.
Yeah. So what that?
Yeah.
This needs a little more water. But it's okay.